जिस दुनिया में माँ बहने रिश्ते नहीं है, गाली है, उस दुनिया से. Hello everybody. Did you like what you saw? Are the girls saying something? I can't hear the girls. Girls are quiet? Anyway. I would just like to recite something from what you all saw. आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी, जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो, मान को ना छूने दूंगी. छू कर देखो दिल मेरा, मैं दिल में तुमको भर लूंगी, पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको, मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी. स्कर्टी साड़ी रात दोपहरी डर डर के नहीं चलूंगी, कैंडल जला के सैंडल दिखा के मर मर के नहीं जलूंगी. कदम मिलाकर देखो तो मैं साथ में तेरे चल दूंगी, पर छू कर देखो तुम मुझको, पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको, मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी. जिस दुनिया में माँ बहने रिश्ते नहीं है, गाली है, उस दुनिया से मर्यादा के रिश्ते साड़े तोड़ूंगी. नजर बदल के देखो तो मैं नजर नहीं लगने दूंगी, पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको, मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी, मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी. So I think this is basically a thought that has come from all the anger, from all the frustrations that I think we girls go through every day in our life. And that's what the poem says. And of course we have Kausar here, who's written the lines herself. So we'd like Kausar to speak some more on this. And in case you'll have any questions, y'all can please ask me, Dada, Kausar, and Gopi, who's the writer of the film Mardani. So I'll take it from here on with them.
I don't think anybody who is here today is going to need to be introduced to the four people who are going to be sitting in on this panel. We have script. We have Kausar Munir, who is the lyricist of this particular song you'll have just heard. And of course, we have Rani Mukherjee with us. If you're done with the photo ops, we're happy to start with the question and answer session. We can do the photo op afterwards. I think we'll do the photo op later on. Shall we just start with the question and answer?
Ji, I think Kausar will be very important to answer this question.
मुझे असल में जब बुलाया ये फिल्म देखने के लिए मुझसे कहा गया, और जब मैंने ये फिल्म देखी तो जो मेरा रिएक्शन था वो बहुत एक इमोशनल रिएक्शन था. Besides being a woman, I'm also a mother of a 12-year-old girl. So I reacted very emotionally to it. And after that, Dada and Mr. Aditya Chopra, they told me, ये जो आपके का जो emotional reaction है, how would you like to express this in verse, in words, and kind of make it a voice of all that women feel, and and even men, anyone who's humane and is sensitive enough to feel these correct emotions. तो जो मैंने इसमें लिखा, it's just basically that anger, that frustration, that helplessness. Because ये बात तो सच है कि women are physically weaker than men. That is nature, that's biology. वो प्राकृतिक रूप से ऐसा है. But it's the will, the spirit. Even in that Nirbhaya case, what really shook me till the very end was कि जो report किया गया कि वो लड़की end तक भी ये कह रही थी that I want to live, I want to be better, I want to get out of this. So I think that was the triumph of the spirit of the will, and that's what came out in words for me. And that's the story of my journey.